Attaining the age of 80 is no mean feat. Hence the need to roll out the drums to celebrate the former Chief Judge of Edo State, Honorable Justice Constance Rekhia Momoh, as the first female Chief Judge in Edo State Judiciary. Honorable Justice Constance Rekhia Momoh, an indigene of Auchi, the administrative headquarters of Esako West Local Government Area, Edo State, was born on 28th of February 1940 to His Royal Highness Sheikh Baka Momoh, MFRO, the author of Auchi, who reigned from 1965 to 1970, and Haja Aisha Ture Momoh, who passed on in 2005. At the age of 6, no one could predict or foresaw what Honorable Justice Constance Momoh would become in life. This eminent jurist and epitome of success had a primary education at the Catholic and Government Primary School, Sakwamba, Benin City, and Auchi. She then proceeded to Baptist Girls High School, Agbo, Delta State, from 1955 to 1960. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh, after her post-secondary education, attended the School of Law, Council of Legal Education of the Honorable Society of the Inner Temple of London, 1962 to 1965, the Nigerian Law School, Lagos, 1965 to 1966, and the Nigerian Institute of Chartered Arbitrators in 2016. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh was called to the English Bar on 9th of February 1965 as barrister at law, and also called to the Nigerian Bar in July 1966 as barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Former American President J.F. Kennedy once said that man in a bid to succeed must invoke the wonders of science instead of its terrors. So, Honorable Justice Constance Momoh used her intellectual sagacity in evoking the wonders of the law profession. Her robust career in the legal profession saw her appointed a magistrate by the defunct Bender State government in 1971 and served till 1981, having rose through all the grades to that of a chief magistrate, grade level 1. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh served as High Court Judge for 14 years. She rose to the pinnacle of the legal profession as the first female Chief Judge of Edo State on 14th of August 1998 and retired meritoriously on 28th of February 2005 upon attaining the retirement age of 65. A woman who exudes honesty, coherence, and professionalism, Honorable Justice Constance Momoh remains one of those few Nigerians who refuse to be compromised by bribery and corruption. Some of our landmark judgments today still stand out as some of the grand norms of legal practice and procedure in Nigeria. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh, to say the least, has nurtured and groomed the law with dexterity and erudition. She served in several capacities, among which were chairman, commissioner of inquiry into the activities of Plateau State government-owned companies. Appointed in 1993 by Edo State government as chairman of the judicial panel on the police-army disturbance. She was also appointed in March 1995 as chairman, Failed Banks Recovery of Debts and Financial Malpractice in Benin Tribunal, Benin Zone, covering 4 states. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh also served as member, Board of Governors, National Judicial Institute, member of the Appointment, Promotion and Disciplinary Committee, National Judicial Institute, member Body of Benchers, member Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges, among others. Honorable Justice Constance Momoh was conferred with a honorary doctorate degree by Ambrose Salim University of Poma and appointed on 28th of February 2006 by the President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, as the first female chairman of the Code of Conduct Tribunal. Honorable Justice Constance Rekhia Momoh was conferred with the National Honor Officer of the Federal Republic, OFRO, on 21st of December 2006 upon retirement from service. On a remarkable note, Honorable Justice Constance Rekhia Momoh has now joined the club of octogenarians.